Amazon sellers often struggle to stand out in crowded markets where dozens of similar products compete for the same customers. In this video, you will learn how you can use Data Dive to identify unique product features, design improvements, and keyword opportunities that help your listing dominate your niche. If you want to try Data Dive yourself, you'll find the link below in the description, and don't forget to use code ORANGECLICK for 10% off in the first 6 months of your subscription.
Hey everyone, Nikki here from Orange Klik, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of competing on price, and if you feel like your product blends in with everyone else's, or if you simply want to launch a product that stands out, then today's video is exactly what you need. Because I'm going to show you how to use Data Dive, one of the most powerful tools available for Amazon FBA sellers, to uncover unique, data-backed differentiation opportunities that other sellers are completely missing. You'll learn how to analyze your competitors deeply, how to identify real customer frustrations, how to use keyword demand to inspire product improvements, how to combine design, keywords, or reviews to create superior product, and how small enhancements can create massive sales advantages. Whether you're a complete beginner or a going private label seller, this video will give you the blueprint to build better products, not just bigger listings. Let's dive in. Why differentiation matters more than ever. Before we get tactical, let's get clear about something. Amazon isn't saturated. It's undifferentiated. The real problem today isn't competition. It's that most sellers offer the same product with the same features, the same packaging, the same images, and the same weak value proposition. So what happens? Listings look identical, products become interchangeable, and the only remaining competition becomes price. That's not a winning strategy. The sellers who succeed today are the ones who differentiate intelligently by fixing weaknesses, improving user experience, and enhancing value based on real data. And that's exactly what we're doing with Data Dive. Step 1. Use Data Dive competitor analysis to spot hidden weaknesses. Inside Data Dive's Deep Dive tool, you get access to insights that separate average sellers from advanced sellers. Let's break the key elements down. For review velocity, this is the silent meter of customer satisfaction. Total review count can fool you. It's historical. Review velocity tells the real story. If a competitor has 12,000 reviews but only 10 plus reviews in 30 days, that's a sign of declining customer excitement, possibly reduced product quality, lack of innovation, or a plateaued brand. That's exactly where you can step in. But if a competitor has fewer total reviews but fast growth, that's a design you learn from, not attack. Now, letter B is low-hanging keyword rankings. This is your entry point. Look at the top 30 keywords competitors rank for. You'll often see high ranking, low conversion, inconsistent bestseller rank, and weak listing to intent match. That means customers click but they don't buy. This reveals opportunity for differentiation inside the keyword intent. For example, keywords like small kitchen dish rack but competitor product is oversized. This creates a mismatch with your niche. For review to sales ratio, this is the customer delight score. If a competitor is selling 10,000 units a month but gaining only 20 reviews, this means customers aren't impressed. Product lacks a wow moment, returns may be high, and satisfaction is mediocre. This is gold for you because differentiation only becomes valuable when competitors fail to delight. Now, step 2 is to discover differentiation through review mining. Review mining is where you uncover the exact blueprint for what your product should improve. This is where Data Dive shines. Look for repeating complaint patterns like lid is loose, material stains, too small, packaging looks cheap. When multiple customers complain about the same thing, that's not a complaint. That's a feature roadmap. Micro annoyances or micro monopolies. These tiny issues create huge differentiation opportunities. Examples could be zipper catches, slippery grip, measurements hard to see, hinge feels weak, bottle opening too small, or slider falls off. Competitors ignore these because they seem small, but customers care deeply because these frustrations happen every day. Another thing to look at is the emotion-based complaints. These reveal hidden wants. Look for reviews starting with I expected, or I wish, or I wanted, or I thought I would. These frustrations reflect unmet emotional expectations. If you solve what customers wish the product had, you win the niche. Another factor is to turn complaints into differentiation features. For example, too noisy. So you can add the feature like silent glide, trademark it, and then you can put quiet rolling system. Another example is feels cheap. So with this negative review, you can put on your feature premium matte touch finish. Another one is hard to clean. You can add that as a feature with seamless interior for easy rinse washing. So these upgrades make your product worth more, not cost more. Step 3. Combine keyword gaps plus product design insights. This is where you make your design and make your keywords work together. First, extract intent from high-volume keywords. Inside the master keyword list, look for keywords that tell you what the customer expects. For example, non-slip, you can put improve grip, leak-proof, like seal enhancements, or heavy-duty equals reinforced structure, or travel size equal to portability. And lastly, heat-resistant equals to material upgrade. These keywords literally tell you the features customers want. Next is identify expectation keywords competitors fail to match. If a competitor ranks for a long-lasting garden tool, but their reviews say it bends, so you create a real durable version and you instantly win that keyword. Next is use uncovered keywords to build new features. These are keywords with real search volume that zero competitors deliberately target. These often includes materials, different sizes, or accessories that goes with your product, durability enhancements like a premium quality or ingredient or material, or enhanced features such as double wall or titanium plated, and color options, and this will allow you to design your product around these unmet needs. Step 4 is to analyze visual differentiation. Before buyers see your bullet points, and before they read your reviews, and before they scroll, they see your photos. So images are part of your differentiation strategy. First, do a visual audit of the top 20 listings. Identify patterns like repetitive colors, dull infographics, same angle shots, same lifestyle background, packaging that blends in, and unclear scale in photos. If everyone looks identical, you visually stand out by simply being different. Learn how to use different color palettes that can stand out and as well entice your target market. Next is use a visual positioning matrix. Plot competitors on a 2x2 grid, modern versus traditional, or bold versus minimal. You'll find an empty quadrant. That quadrant becomes your visual brand identity. If everyone uses bold and modern colors and fonts, try minimal or modern that gives you an instantly premium image. Next is to prioritize visual clarity. Your images must clearly show the size, the usage of your product, texture, accessories that goes with it, key features that makes it stand out, the packaging that it comes with, and the lifestyle scenarios. The clearer your images, the fewer objections your customers have. Next step is to build high-value bundles using keyword intent. Bundles work incredibly well when they are aligned with keyword intent, not just random add-ons. First, search for with keywords in your niche. Examples: with labels, with scoop, with bag, with stand, with lid, with case, or with label and scoop set. If a keyword includes the accessory, it is in demand. And if competitors don't include it, you now own that opportunity. Next is to build functional bundles, not cheap extras. Wrong bundle can be a microfiber cloth. The right bundle could be something that enhances usage, like if you have a bento box as the primary product, you can include a silicone divider cups as an enhanced usage. If you have a hair remover product, include corner attachment that can help ergonomically use the product in a very efficient way. If you have silicone bags, you can include drying rack or labels that goes with it. And for makeup bags, you can include detachable mirror. Make your bundle solve real customer problems. And again, we can find that from master keyword list with the keyword gaps and the review mining. Next is packaging as part of the bundle. Turn packaging into a value item. You can do storage case, reusable pouch, a travel box, washable bag, collapsible container. This transforms your product into a premium experience. Step 6 is to validate your differentiation with Data Dive scorecard. Now it's time to grade your product concept. For keyword coverage score, does your improved version match high search volume keywords, or does it match medium opportunity keywords? Check if it also has long tail intent keywords and uncovered niche keywords. If yes, your SEO foundation is strong. Next is competitive gap score. Check if your design solves the major review complaints and if your design adds new functional features. Does it improve durability? Does it enhance usability? Did you include all the upgraded materials? And how much of a packaging did you have the most improvement on? If your product fixes multiple weaknesses, differentiation is validated. Next is sentiment alignment. Match your improvements to customer frustrations, emotional expectations, practical needs, and aesthetic desires. This ensures your product earns 5-star reviews from day one. Now, for the real example of micro differentiation that boosted sales, let's bring this to life with real examples. For silicone storage bags, the complaints found are sliders fall off, material absorbs odor, bags are hard to dry, or measurements mark fade. The fixes that we can apply here are the stainless slider, odor-neutral material, built-in drying hook, or bold measuring marks. The outcome can give you a potentially 30 or more % higher conversion, lower return rate, and become a mom influencer favorite. Number 2 real-life product example is the pet hair remover roller. Competitor problems stated are that it's too loud when it's used, ineffective on corners, chamber too small, or handle feels flimsy. The differentiation point could be silent rolling mechanism, corner edge attachment, larger debris chamber, and rubber ergonomic grip. The outcome for silent and easy to clean can become one of your top 5-star phrases, and it could potentially give you a higher ranking on competitive keywords. Another example is the bento lunch boxes. Issues found can be compartments leak, latches break, dull designs, and portions are too small. The differentiation points could be double silicone seals, reinforced latch, child-friendly themes, rebalanced compartments, and the outcome could be trending product among moms, a huge organic sharing because it's highly desirable and checks all the mom needs, category bestseller as well. And next would be a travel toiletry bottles. The problems found here could be leaks on flights, hard to refill, or silicone becomes sticky. A differentiation point could be triple lock seal, extra wide refill mount, or a funnel that can be bundled, and dust resistant coating. The outcome can increase your repeat purchase, and again, another TikTok favorite product. And that wraps up today's deep dive into product differentiation using Data Dive. If you follow these steps, analyze competitors, extract real frustrations, map keywords to product features, upgrade your visuals, build intent-driven bundles, and validate with the scorecard, you will never have to compete on price again. If you have found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment differentiate so I know you want more videos like this. And if you like to try Data Dive for the first time, you can use our special Orange Klik coupon code, that's Orange Klik, to be able to avail 10% off of your monthly subscription plan with any tier. This is Nikki from Orange Klik, helping you launch smarter, rank faster, and build products customers genuinely love. See you in the next one.
I hope this video will help you to differentiate your Amazon product, which you sell on Amazon Marketplace. And if you want to try Data Dive yourself to help you with that, you will find the link below, and also use the code OrangeClick to get 10% off in the first 6 months of your subscription. And if you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoy the content we create, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. And now I recommend you to watch another video where you will learn how to optimize your Amazon product listing for better rankings using Data Dive. So check this out.